everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to talk about solar eclipse that's coming on the 21st of June. This solar eclipse that's coming on the 21st of June is going to be more powerful between 9:15 a.m. to 3:04 p.m. So between this time, the effect of the solar eclipse is going to be more, and you just have to be careful, like the people, grandmothers and the mothers and people used to tell us that you have to be careful with the solar eclipse, because the reason is, the rays of the solar eclipse is not good for you can say pregnant woman, or we should not go out during solar eclipse because maybe the rays affect us negatively some way. Also they say that basil or the religious tulsi that we Indians use, if you put that tulsi in your food before consuming, or in your water pot or anything, it's good during solar eclipse. There's a lot of other myths and behind what you can do and what you cannot do during solar eclipse, but they do say that if you are looking directly to the sun during the eclipse, it's better you wear glasses, because the rays can harm your eyes. So some little things like everybody knows, you just have to be careful during the solar eclipse. And these are the things that you can avoid doing on solar eclipses. Some things that I told you to do, of course, and make sure that you don't usually go out during this time, or do some good things. Basically, it also affects some people according to the charts, the astrological charts. But here today I am going to tell you about the different zodiac signs that are going to be affected after the solar eclipse. I'm going to do angel answers cards also with it, to see exactly what does our angels say and how it's going to affect, how the solar eclipse is going to affect us. So let's start with the sign Aries. So I'm going to pull a card for Aries, the zodiac sign Aries. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do this cards. I'm going to go ahead and check what message does the angel give for the people born under this zodiac sign Aries, and that is Mesh, if we call them. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, what does the angel say? Oh, okay. So your angels are saying that whatever you're confused about, after the solar eclipse, there are chances that there will be some confusion coming your way of making a decision, or you're not clear about your thought, or you don't know how to communicate. There might be some misunderstanding between people, or between your siblings, brothers, sisters. So you have to be careful regarding that. And whenever you are in that kind of a confusion, the angel is telling you to ask for help. So the card that you Mesh people got is Ask Your Angels. So you can ask for help from your angels during this time. Now we'll go to Taurus, that is the Vrishab Rashi, and let's pull a card for this Rashi and see Taurus. Okay, let's see what the angels has to say. Let's pick up a card and see what angels has to say. Okay, the angel's message for the people born under the sign Taurus is there is a little bit of financial concern. There might be some problems regarding your finance that you have to be careful about. I do even see a financial issue coming your way that needs to be solved, maybe expenses or anything that's coming your way. Also, the angel is also telling you to, whatever the situation comes, after the solar eclipse, try to find a peaceful resolution for it. In the sense, don't try to fight for it. Try to find a way where peacefully it can be resolved. Also, because you are a Taurus sign, and according to, if I see astrologically, you need to be very careful with your eyes. So eyes might be affected, the family expense might go up during your solar eclipse, after your solar eclipse actually. So that's what the angels has to tell you. The angel card that has come for the Taurus people is peaceful resolution. That's why I have mentioned that whatever comes your way, make sure you take a peaceful step ahead. Now we are going to go ahead and do Gemini. So what does the Gemini say? Let's see. Angel's message for the people born under Gemini. It says, okay, what does the card says? According to the angels, it says ask for help from others. So whenever you are in need of some help, or financially, or any kind of confusion going in your mind, make sure you ask for help. If you ask for help, then the help will be given for you. Also, the people under a Gemini have to be careful regarding their health a little bit, because I think solar eclipse is in Gemini, and so you have to be little careful with your health issues or something related to your finance too. Also, I do see some your lungs issue coming your way. If you see the astrological stars and everything, Gemini people has to be very careful with their lungs. Mainly lungs, or something related to cold, cough, or something related to asthma or something like that. And financially also, they have to be very careful, spend very, very carefully, and keep your finance under proper investment or control. Okay, so the angel message for this people, Gemini, is you have to ask for help, and the help will be given to you. Go ahead and do Cancer, that is Kark Rashi. Let's see what the angels has to say for the Kark Rashi. That is Cancer. Okay, it says you have to get more information. Whatever you are studying or whatever you are working on it right now, there is not enough information that you are having. So before stepping forward or before making a major decision, make sure you get proper information on that thing. And the people under Cancer, if you see the astrological if you see the astrological stars and everything, for the Cancer people, there might be a major expense coming your way. So you have to be careful where your expense is concerned. Your health is also concerned. There might be some health issues, not a major issues, but there might be minor issues coming your way. So you have to be very, very careful regarding your health issues. Now we'll go ahead and do the zodiac sign Leo, that is Singh Rasi. Let's pull a card, the angel card for Leo. What does the angel have message for them? Oh, nice. For the Leo card, the angels are saying helpful people. So there are chances that you are going to donate something, you are going to help someone in need, or you will be an angel for them, or a helpful person for them, which will be a guidance to them or something like that. But the people under the zodiac sign Leo has a very good opportunities coming after the solar eclipse. If you see their star signs, and if you not the star signs, but if you see their stars in the astrological thing, they are going to get a lot of opportunities. Finance might be a little bit on an increased side, so you will find in this case also, in this situation also, there might be money coming your way from somewhere, relationships getting better. So for Leo sign, after solar eclipse, I see a good opportunity coming their way, and angels also support them, and has given a card called helpful people. So they are maybe going to meet people who are going to help them, as well as they're going to be helpful to other people too. Going to go ahead and do the sign Virgo, that is Kanya. Let's see what the angels have to say for that. the angels are telling them to take action. So your angels want the people under the sign of Virgo to not just sit and have ideas. They have a lot of ideas in their head, but they are not putting that ideas into practice. So the angels are saying that you have to move ahead and take action for the ideas that you have in your mind to come alive. I mean to say, there are ideas in your head, you want to do this, you want to do that, but there is no action being taken. So the angel is telling you to take the action. So after the solar eclipse, if you see your stars according to the astrological chart, Virgo people may have some setback where their occupation career is concerned. Their health might also not be that well. They have to be careful about their health. Even people who are not working but have their own business, it's going to be a little tough for them to move ahead in that business front, so be very careful when you are giving some credit to some person, or if someone is in need of some money or something that you are lending that person, just be very careful. That's not a good idea to do for you guys. Also, there is going to be a lot of stress, and you have to be very calm and try to stay calm, in fact, after the solar eclipse. But the angel's message for you is whatever ideas, maybe it's going to take you time, but you have to start taking action on it. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and do Libra, that is Tula Rashi. Let's see what the angel has to say about the sign Libra. Oh, it says let's go. Okay, so for the people under the sign of Libra, the card, that angel card message that I got is let's go. So it's like it's pushing the person, it's pushing the people born in Libra. Come on, get up and get moving, and let's go and make this happen, kind of thing. So it's a positive thing that, okay, the angel is saying let's go, I'm with you, let's go. So Libra people who are born under Libra, should be very careful where their health is concerned, in a way that they might have some some respiratory problems, like breathing problems, lungs problems, cold, cough, sinuses, kind of thing. So they have to be careful about those things, as well as they shouldn't take a risk, not a big risk, financially, that it might be a problem of getting returns back. But yes, the angel card is telling you to let's go. So that means at least get up and try something. So let's go ahead and do Scorpio now, Vrishik Rashi. Let's see what the angels has to say for the Vrishik Rashi. It says no. So whatever you are thinking, people born under the zodiac sign Scorpio, if you are thinking of doing something major thing, the angels are saying not to go ahead and do it. This is not the right time to do it for you. Also, people born under zodiac sign Scorpio should be very careful about viral infection, getting them to them, or handling finance. They have to be careful where they are spending their money, if they are saving enough or not, because there might be chances where the solar eclipse might after the solar eclipse there might be a situation where you might feel a little bit of crunch where your finance is concerned. And don't do any fresh investment, don't invest your money after the solar eclipse. It's a no. Okay, now we'll go ahead and do Sagittarius, that is Dhanu Rashi. Let's see what the angels has to say for Dhanu Rashi. Okay, it again says ask your angels. So whatever people born under Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi, it says ask your angels. So whenever you are praying or whenever you are into some confusion, do ask for help from your angels or God, goddesses, any god goddesses you believe in, there are very positive chances that the help will be given to you. Also after solar eclipse, I do see, according to the astrological, if you see the sign, the work, they will get work appreciation. Maybe people who are in sales or something, you know, they are going to get good sales, marketing kind of a people, you know, though it's this kind of situation, but there's a lot of online work going on, so there is chances for these people of getting work appreciation, or you know, getting their target met kind of thing. There might be some problems that have been affecting this kind of people, you know, from quite some time, and this is the after solar eclipse. In fact, there will be a situation where the problems will get resolved. They will see a solution, they'll get a solution for that thing. They just have to be very careful where their health is concerned. Their health might be little on and off, not much to worry about, but health needs to be taken care of. So the angel card is ask to angels, and you'll get help from it. Go ahead and do Capricorn, that is Makar Rashi. Let's remove a card. Okay. Okay, the angel card that I got for Capricorn people is the situation will improve. So the guidance given here is whatever you are going through right now, the situation is going to get better after the solar eclipse. Also, according to the astrological chart, not chart, but the stars, if I see, you are going to get a big breakthrough. You might get an opportunity, you might get a better work opportunity, you might get an offer from someone, a good offer, you know, that will be very good for you, for your betterment kind of a thing. Also it is saying, okay, have little patience, whatever it is will work out for you. So just keep yourself cool, don't get angry, just wait patiently, and it will show you the result. As well as the angel have showed a card that says the situation will improve. So you don't have to worry about either. Health seems quite okay for Capricorn people. There shouldn't be a problem. Now we are going to go ahead and do Aquarius, that is Kumbh Rashi. So let's see what the angels have to say for the Kumbh Rashi. Now the angel card says it's up to you. So the angels have totally left it up to you. The angels are saying you are the person who has to make a decision. So whatever decision you have to make yourself. You know, there is no one who's going to come to help you to do that, or there is no one going to come and say, okay, you do that. It's your decision, you do that. So that's what the angels are saying. Let's see what the stars are saying according to the astrological thing. According to the astrology, the Kumbh Rashi people, the Aquarius people, has a little bit of relationship. You just be very careful about communication. There might be confusion, there might be some argument where relationship might suffer a little bit. The financial front, if you see where the money is, it's okay. So whatever it is been going, it will be going that way. That I don't see any negative thing happening, nor a positive thing happening after the solar eclipse. The health is also okay. So whatever you are right now, whatever stage you are in right now, is going to be the same. Solar eclipse is not going to make it more positive or more negative for you. So now we are going to go ahead and do Pisces, that is Meen Rashi. Let's see what the cards have to say for Meen Rashi. It says, if you believe. So here the angels are trying to tell the people born under Pisces is that you have to believe something to get, trust it. So if you believe in something, it's going to work for you. If you are going to question it, it will never work for you. So the angels are saying whatever you're doing, whatever is coming your way, believe in whatever you want to believe, but believe and trust it totally, you know, for you to work according to the astrological stars. If I say the work front is going to be a little bit difficult for the people born under Pisces, there I do see a little bit of downfall where the work is concerned. They will have to work hard than what they have been working after the solar eclipse. So there is more you know, work maybe coming their way, or they have to work hard towards reaching the you know, reaching the point that they want to reach, or reaching the place they want to reach. And health also shows a little bit of trouble. So after solar eclipse you have to be really careful about your health, because that might show you some kind of you know, problems related to your health. So but like the card have said, and the angel cards have told you, believe in yourself. Whatever you're doing, just believe and do it, and it will work for you. So that's it for now. Be safe during the solar eclipse. That's again on the 21st of June. And do like and subscribe my channel, the YouTube channel. Also we are on Facebook and Instagram, so please go there and like my page. Till then, bye bye, take care.